Hey guys, how are you doing? David here with the Bright IIoT. Uh, as a great request and following up from my post on LinkedIn about like this, factory talk, old version conversion. So I'm making this video for the guys out there. I hope it's helpful for you guys, so you can fix your problem in the plant floor. So without any more, talking, let's get right into it. I see you there. Bye.
Okay, guys, let's go here. Um, so I prepared this file right here, which I copied from one of the application I was working. So this is actually a file that was already converted in a newer version. I think it's 10 or 12, and um, and then it was saved back to 5.1. So what we're gonna do now, we are going to open this first. First of all, I would say it's better, to make we're gonna make a copy of this, and then I'm gonna put all the links, by the way, in the description. So here is the first software that you have to download, the 7-zip file manager. This will, unzip like this the runtime application for Factor Talk. So let's open this real quick, and then we are going to search for the folder we prepared here, right here, and then we are going to open this. So here it will, explode and show you like all the section of your, runtime. What we need to get is like this, the file protection, which will tell us the um, the password that we need to change. So we are going to save on the same folder right there. So copy to, right click, copy to, and then with that we are going to back to here so we can close this one, the zip. Usually, I want to tell this, usually the hexadecimal password is always 030001, but you know, without, having dubs, and maybe, it's not going to work. So we are going to verify it. So the next software, which is free, I'm going to put a link as well. It's this. It's a HXD, hexadecimal editor. And now I'm gonna put the link. So I'm gonna go and file and open right here, file protection, and there you go. That's your what you have to uh, basically substitute, find, search, and substitute to the MER file. So let's do that right now. So 030001. So then we do file open. We are going to open this, the copy. Remember, like I told you, to close the 7-zip first. If not, it will tell you I'm already open. I'm not gonna work. So open, and then Control F, and then you move to the decimal value. It's if you already use like that value, it will pop up. If not, it will work with space and without space. I suggest you to use spaces. So you go and search all, and at the point you found like two spots right here. So you go there, and then oops. So let me go back here. Okay. All right. So we take a second, and then you go click in there, and then you substitute the value with 0000, and then you go to this one and you do the same thing. Could be one, it could be two, three, multiple, places. So you change all of them. When you finish, save it. Don't worry about this. It's completely fine. Okay, now it's saved. We close this, and next thing we're gonna go to. So here I'm working on my virtual machine, but I have encountered. So I wanted to warn you up. I have encountered some issues. I have like version 12 installed here in the VM, but for some reason it gives me problems to unloading like the alarms. I have like the latest patch installed and everything. Um, However, I also have like version 13 on the host. So with version 13, in my case, it's working fine. It will give you a warning, but let's get into it. So we unlock this one, this file. So now it should be good. Let's go to back to here. So now I'm in the host. So I'm going to use, of course, this, the application manager, right? Restore. And let's go to my shared folder, factory talk, recovery, and then grab this one. As you can see, it's 5.1. Next. And then we can say ft view old test. And then we go finish. So as you can see, it will not give you any issues on restoring. So let's wait until it finish. Uh, so that's the first step. As I mentioned earlier, it will tell you like that it couldn't retrieve the database. So it will create an empty one. I don't know what are you going to lose in terms of informations, but as far as as the application, everything is working. Like tags are linked. Even the communication path is in there. Of course, the alarm, as we discussed it. Like I'm not sure about the parameters because this with these old applications, um, it's it's rare, I would say, that you find, parameters and global objects, but so far I didn't have any. So it's like kind of, old style, the alarm are not going through like, sometime the alarm section, etc. So it's kind of, yeah, of course you expect that because we are talking about, 20 or 30 years old, like programming styles. So when this is done, let's go to our Factory Talk View Studio. Again, this is version 13, but mine is not like operating, correctly the 12. I don't know why. So I still need to investigate. But anyway, so where is Factory Old Test? There you go. So as you can see, it was already like converted one time by someone else. But of course, we didn't have like the APA file, .apa. So here we go. So it will give you a warning. Probably. Let's see now. Okay, that's fine. Say yes. There you go. Cannot restore the tag database. An empty tag database file is being created. Probably the memory tags. Hopefully, I don't know. We will take a look at the tags to see if it's empty or not. But definitely, this will fix like the burden of recreating the alarms. Um, and so that's definitely helpful. And the path, etc. The communication path and all of that good stuff that we all need. So I think we. So I'm sorry in advance. I have like high resolution screen, so stuff I'm trying to zoom in if I can, but stuff are like kind of like messed up with this resolution. Okay, let's open the alarm here. As you can see, you have all the alarms set, and then as well the messages. Like I said, it's kind of messed up for the high resolution, but here you have it. Let's go and check the tags. And yeah, that's probably, if something wasn't here, then definitely you will lose this portion. But and let's go here. So all the pages are in there, of course, and that's about it. Let me know what you think, and put down, in the comments if you like this video. Of course, subscribe, and see you next time.